Anas Atukriti is moving house for the first time in 10 years. In that same period, he's been debanked 6 times.
I have no doubt that it's because of my activism, it's because of my political views, it's because that somehow I'm flagged in various risk assessment or profile checking agencies, and as a result, the bank takes this decision.
Anas has no proof of that. That's part of the problem. Sky News has spoken to numerous individuals who have had accounts closed. None of them have been told why.
The common thread between all the closure, all the victims of this account, arbitrary account closures, is that they service the Black British Nigerian community.
The Chancellor wants banks to pay penalties if indeed IO is right, that the practice is widespread.
The threat to remove a bank account because of your views, whether or not you agree with Nigel Farage, is ultimately a threat to free speech, and that's why we have to stamp it out.
Debanking isn't always about people's views. Some banks use third-party companies to compile risk assessments for them. They don't always get it right. In 2014, Finsbury Park Mosque was wrongly linked to terrorism. HSBC closed its account.
They realized that they're going to lose the case because it is obvious that we've been put under this category without any consideration, without any proof, without any evidence.
Thomson Reuters, which carried out HSBC's risk assessment, admitted it had made a false allegation. It apologised and paid the mosque £10,000 in damages. 6 years later, banks are still settling cases out of court. In June, Barclays Bank agreed to pay Mike Davidson's companies more than £20,000 after he claimed they were debanked for his Christian beliefs.
It appears that we've lost ideological diversity, and everybody has to believe this one point of view, and as long as you hold to that, then things are fine.
The Muslim Council of Britain has joined the government in calling for a review.
What we need, therefore, is for there to be transparency, and for people who have any action taken against them to have the right to appeal, to make sure that the evidence against them is something that they can challenge.
The Financial Conduct Authority says it is investigating the matter. It's due to report to the Chancellor next month. Sadiya Chowdhury, Sky News in London.